Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Ariovit, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to create fan page on Facebook. I will show you how to do it, so you may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment, let's go. So to create new fan page, you must click on this logo, Facebook, and now on pages, and now you here have create new page. Now you may create page on Facebook. Page is creating. So category, page name and description. You must waiting some time. And here you have also contact, phone number, email address, location, town, city, postcode, hours. Okay, next, add profile picture, add cover photo. Next, add friends later to help grow your page. Page notifications on your profile. Okay, and we did it. And now you have fan page on Facebook. So that's all. You may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Bye bye. See you next time. Thanks.